Hi, we're going to show you how to make a time capsule and bury it in your garden. This is my son Liam, and for those of you who don't know me, I'm Sharon. So here we are. We're going to start with a plastic bottle, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut it in half so that we can get all the things inside. You need a sharp pair of scissors. This is the sort of thing that you might want an adult to help with. Go. There's a plastic bottle cut in half. I'll put that to one side. These are some of the things that Liam did earlier for me. So to start with, we have got a handprint. You see that? So we painted Liam's hand with some yellow paint, like this, and then he popped it on the piece of paper, and we've got a handprint, and he's just signed his name at the bottom so we know who it is. One of the other things I got Liam to do was to write down some of his favourite things. Do you want to read that out and tell everybody what your favourite things were?
Okay, my favourite...
Your favourite toy was?
Lego.
Your favourite colour?
Was blue.
And your favourite animal?
Sloth.
Your favourite food?
Pizza.
Your favourite show?
SpongeBob.
Your favourite book?
David Williams.
Your favourite activity?
Football.
Your favourite place?
Disney World.
And your favourite song?
Goosebumps.
And your best friend?
Samuel.
And when you grow up, you want to be a
footballer. So
Liam's written down a few things that are his favourite, but you could write down anything. He's also written how old he is, and he's 11, and how tall he is. So you could write that down, and he's put his shoe size as well, and he's put today's date down, which is the 6th of May. Then we had a little think about some of the things you might put in your time capsule. Well, we decided that we like Haribo sweets, but we didn't want to put a packet of sweets in there that was just going to go rotten and mouldy. So we thought we'd eat them first and then put the rest in the time capsule. We've got Liam's school photo of this year, so that's going to go in. One of his favourite activities is Lego, so we're going to put a Lego brick in the time capsule, and something he made with some Quixel beads is also going into the time capsule. And you could either write a letter in your name or the date, the year on here on a piece of paper, or maybe you could get a rock and paint the date and a picture on there. Anything you like, it doesn't matter, it's up to you. So if you want to put, oh, you've eaten all of them, wow. Would you like to put the date and a decoration or anything like that on there? I'm going to do the rock, and the year is 2020. Excellent. And we're ready to begin to put all our things into the time capsule. So, in going my 2020 rock. I'm going to put that in. Like that. What else do you want to put in next? The empty Haribo wrapper. What else?
The sheets.
You're going to put the sheets in. You're going to have to fold them up small, I think. Meanwhile, I'm going to put Liam's little man in that he made. His piece of Lego, because that's his favourite thing at the moment. And his school photo. Thank you. And there you go. Then we're going to get the other half of the bottle, and hopefully it will fit on top. Put it together. Like that. And we're going to get the tape. and take it up so it doesn't fall apart. There we go. So we have made our time capsule. Now the important bit is to go and bury it in the ground. Follow me. So I've dug the hole. Here's my trusty spade. And here's the time capsule going into the hole. And now I have just got to cover it over. And I've also got to remember where I buried it. So that's my time capsule buried in the ground. It's down there. And maybe in 5 or 10 years we might dig it up and discover what it was that Liam liked doing all those years ago, back in 2020. Have a go if you get the chance. You can put anything you like inside it, anything that you enjoy doing or anything that can help you remember what you did when you were this age in 2020. Have fun and let me know how you get on. Bye everybody.